Everything's hard. I think that one goes here. This one goes here. It's the other way. I think. Oh, yeah, no. Hey, I know what I'm doing. See, look. If you're not gonna... I'll do this by myself, Mom. I know what I'm doing. Wait a minute. I hope I'm doing this right. Tell me, guys, if I'm doing this right. Am I doing this right, cameraman? Am I doing it right?
You put the 4 of them together. They're not together right.
Oh, come on.
See, they gotta go like in a square.
Oh, I had no idea.
See, they gotta connect. They gotta sit.
Wait. Are you kidding me? This wasn't even the right piece.
That one you've got on there is wrong.
Oh, wait. I'm looking.
This one.
What?
Turn it around. Or something. They sit flush to each other.
Hold on, guys. I'm gonna look at this for a minute. Alex, you're getting tired from sitting here. Okay. This one goes here. And then... I'm actually wrong, because they're supposed to go like this.
You're wrong again. They go on the outside. The purple goes on the outside.
Outside? What do you mean? Look, I'm looking at this right.
Yep, and the purple goes on the outside.
I know. You're messing me up here. See,
the outside, Gabe.
No, I got it now. Look.
That's still... Look. Here, hold the camera.
No, I got it now. You need to stop talking. You're not supposed to talk. Okay. This one, and now it doesn't really matter which, wait a minute, does it? Yeah, you know. Maybe, I don't really know, guys. Oh, no, it does. It does matter, and there. Okay, got it now. Okay, now I'm actually trying to get it, because, see, you need that for a reason. Because, look, it's supposed to look like that. And then... Oh, I didn't even notice this, guys. There actually are supposed to be extra pieces. I guess you gotta figure the rest out. Because, see, like, this is all it gives you. Oh, I guess you can figure it out. Wait a minute. There's only... Look. Oh. There's only... Then this is it. Then we get the bricks. There's 3. There's extra pieces, though. I don't get it. What? And look, guys, this is all it shows. This is just 3. It just shows 2. I think you're supposed to figure the rest out here. Could you unpull that? Yeah, no, this actually is going to take a while now. Because it looks like you're going to have to figure the rest on your own now. This is where it ends, yeah. So now I got to figure this out on my own.
Turn the page.
Oh, wait, no. But then it... Oh, wait, I get it now. I get it, because, see... Oh, no, I don't need it anymore, because... wait, what? Yeah, wait, where's the statue? There it is. See,
no, you're wrong. Wait, let me see.
See, because then you got to put it... Oh, no, I get it. And, wait. Oh, wait, no, I get it. Because, see, you're going to need this to put here. Okay, I get it. And then, yep. And then, boom. Okay. Oh, that's why I was never able to finish my pear dot. But I swear there were no next page. Okay, then we get this one crumpled piece.
No.
Oh, no. Oh, of course, I hate this. Okay, so then we put that here. Put it here.
Turn it around.
Alright. Dang it. I don't think it goes here, but it shows it does. There.
Turn the page.
There's nothing else.
You sure?
Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, dang, I guess you gotta figure the rest out. Oh, wait, I get it. Wait, no, I don't.
Maybe that one goes on this one. No, stop. This piece goes here.
No, we could... shit. Oh, and there's actually two, so you can pose her in two places. Also, guys, unlike your Peridot, this head does not move. And it doesn't. Does this head come
Put your other piece on there.
It does. It does come off. And then our last piece. And then there you go. Then you pose her. There's actually two poses. And there you go. Got your own set.
Now turn her around so everybody can see her.
Now this took a very long time, unlike my Peridot, because there must have been another page. And this, as you can see, this one was more sticky. It ripped, but that didn't stop me. But yeah, I'm not going to spoil the episode, though. There is an episode that's this, so I suggest you go watch it. There you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video. Bye. I'll make it.